Hey guys! Today's video is gonna be a little bit different because you are gonna witness the first ever Cooking with Matt and Max.
We've been craving for sushi for a while now, and we've seen this recent trend that people are making this dish called Sushi Bake.
That's why we decided to buy the necessary ingredients. So we're gonna take you guys along as we learn how to make Sushi Bake for the first time.
I'm so excited!
Let's go!
Before we started this video, we did our research on what ingredients you'll need to make a sushi bake.
Now, before we begin, some of these ingredients you might already have in your cupboards at home. But for some of the ingredients that we didn't have, we went to a local Asian store to buy them.
Here are the ingredients you'll need. Cream cheese, rice seasoning FURIKAKE, sesame oil, mayonnaise, KIKOMAN soy sauce for dipping the sushi, seasoned seaweed wrap, crab sticks, masago, cucumber, and we're going to use salmon.
Now, first thing you have to do is make some rice because it won't be sushi without rice, right? Now, in order to cook rice, we always use our Instant Pot, which is very nice on cooking rice because it retains the moisture of the rice. We Asians love our rice.
While the rice is cooking, we are going to prepare our salmon. After cutting the salmon in bits and pieces, we need to put them in the oven and bake it. Did you preheat the oven?
No, did you?
No! Oops! Preheat the oven to 360 Fahrenheit.
And I guess we have to wait for a while because we forgot to preheat the oven.
Can you get the baking pan in the cupboards?
Okay. All we have is a banana loaf pan. Will this work?
I think so. We can use that.
I feel like we're breaking a record here of the most unprepared to make a sushi bake. I feel like our pan is too small. No?
I guess we'll find out. Once the oven is ready, you can put in your salmon.
Set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And that's starting now.
While we're waiting for the salmon, we are going to work on the cucumber. Next, we're going to chop our king crab. We were supposed to use crab sticks, but we couldn't find it in our grocery. So I think king crab will work. I think we should only use half of it, right? Not
Maybe,
the whole bag.
Yeah. Since we already have a lot of salmon.
Crab is done. Smells so good!
Now that we have the other ingredients ready, we are going to be working on the rice. We are using a disposable tray that we got from the dollar store.
Rice is still hot. For the rice, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. in the rice. Once you coated the rice with sesame oil, you need to flatten it. Now it's time to put the furikake in the rice. I think it's well covered, right? Now we're going to mix the remaining ingredients. First, put the crab sticks. Put the cucumber. Next, put the salmon. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And we're going to put 1/3 of cream cheese. Mix them all together. Make sure it is all well combined. Now we're going to put it evenly on the rice. And to top it all off, we're going to put Masago Fish Eggs. And now we put it in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes.
Set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And we're starting now.
It's done!
It's not a sushi without the seaweed wrap.
Time for the taste test, finally!
Taste test!
This is the best part of the job. I'm the official taste tester.
Just a small piece.
That's small. First try.
How is it?
It's very good. I feel like once it cools off, the rice will become to harden a little bit. Because right now, it's a little bit warm still. I can taste the crab and the salmon, the texture of the salmon. And plus, that rice topping, the furikake, helped a lot with the flavoring.
Even though we're still missing some ingredients like rice vinegar and sriracha sauce, it turned out pretty well.
And although we have some few glitches along the way, like turning on the oven for preheating, I think this is still a pretty successful first try, right? Don't you think?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's gonna be it. We are gonna let you guys go so we can devour this delicious sushi bake.
If you guys are new here, we'd love to keep you around. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming vlogs, let us know in the comment section down below.
Until then, see you in our next vlog.
And thanks for watching. Bye! So we'll bring you guys along as we take so we're gonna take you guys along as we
learn.
As we learn.
While we're waiting for the salmon, we are going to chop our cucumber.
Cucumber?
Cucumber!
Can you say for yourself?
I think that's too big for the wrap.
It's hot. It's hot.
Explain.
It's hot. I think we have to wait for a little bit.
Someone is still trying to eat it, even it's hot.
I feel like we have to retake this one.
It's a disaster.
Where's the seaweed?
Evidence!